Is now the right time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, November 30th, 2023. And today, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at stockinvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 29, 2023, our system has determined that Google is a sell candidate, with a score of -4.49. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this time period. The stock has seen a loss of -1.82%. This means it has been experiencing an average daily loss of -0.91% since being identified as a sell candidate. The stock is currently moving within a wide and horizontal trend, indicating that it is likely to continue its current pattern. Based on the past 3 months, there is a potential -1.15% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. This means that the stock could see a return ranging from -9.35% to 3.26%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 58.45% change in the stock's value over the next year. This suggests a potential return between 52% and 76.78%. In other words, the stock could reach a price range of $203.56 to $236.75 in a year's time. Our latest update for Google shows that the stock price ended at $133.92 on Thursday, with a decrease of 1.82%. On the last trading day, Thursday, November 30th, 2023, the Google stock price fell from $136.40 to $133.92. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $132.79 and a high of $136.96, representing a 3.14% fluctuation. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a loss of 1.8%. Despite an increase in volume by 7 million shares, the prices have been falling. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $3.59 billion worth of shares were bought and sold, with a total volume of 27 million shares. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price for Google stock was $142.38, while the lowest price was $85.57. Currently, the stock price is 5.94% or $8.46 below the 52-week high, and 94.7% or $2,393.07 below the all-time high on June 11, 2021, when the price reached $2,526.99. In this video, we will discuss the latest analyst ratings for Google. On Wednesday, October 25, 2023, it was reported that Needham gave Google a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, July 26, 2023, Susquehanna gave Google a positive grade with a hold action. KeyBank also weighed in on Wednesday, July 26, 2023, giving Google an overweight grade with a hold action. Furthermore, on Wednesday, May 24, 2023, JMP Securities rated Google as market outperform with a hold action. Lastly, on Thursday, May 4, 2023, Credit Suisse gave Google a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Google stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. In this video, we'll discuss the signals identified for Google's stock. Firstly, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which could impact the stock's near short-term development. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate sell signals, resulting in a more negative forecast for the stock. If there are corrections upward, the stock may face resistance at the levels of $137.69 and $134.58. Breaking above these levels will generate buy signals. On Wednesday, November 22, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, leading to a decline of -4.36% so far. It is expected to fall further until a new bottom pivot is found. Yesterday, volume rose on falling prices, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it's important to closely monitor the stock's performance. Here are some other signals that you may find interesting. The moving average convergence-divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal 6 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal 24 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 11 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average indicates a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 20 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 177 days ago. Remember to visit our website at stockinvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. When analyzing the downside, it's important to consider the support levels for Google's stock. At the moment, there are 2 key support levels to watch out for: $126.67 and $123.44. These levels indicate where the stock has found support in the past and could potentially provide a floor for future price movements. It's worth noting that there is a certain level of risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If the current support at $126.67 is broken, it's possible that the stock may fall to the next support level at $123.44. Therefore, monitoring these support levels is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Moving on to the risk associated with trading Google stock, it can be considered medium due to its average movements during the day and good trading volume. Based on recent data, the stock has shown a daily price range of $4.17 or 3.14%. This indicates a moderate level of volatility. Looking at the stock's performance over the past week, the average daily volatility has been 1.98%. This provides further insight into the stock's stability and potential price fluctuations. Before we proceed to discuss potential trading levels for Google, let's begin by covering some essential fundamental data. First and foremost, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the P/E ratio. This critical ratio measures the current share price of a company in relation to its per-share earnings. In the case of Google, we observe a relatively normal P/E ratio. This is often seen in businesses with long-standing track records or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, we have the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2023, which is expected to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $1.60. It's important to keep a close eye on these numbers, as they have the potential to significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's take a closer look at some potential day trading levels for Google. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google stands at $137.35. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before considering entering a position. However, for those who are already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading opportunities. On the other hand, if we witness a downward movement, Google encounters its first support level at $126.67. If this support level holds, it could potentially serve as a favorable entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound in the stock price. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Google is a buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 27, 2023, Pichai Sundar sold 225,000 shares of Class C capital stock. On November 27, 2023, Pichai Sundar bought 225,000 shares of Class C capital stock. On November 25, 2023, Atul Amy Thunar bought 840 shares of Class C capital stock. On November 25, 2023, Atul Amy Thunar sold 783 shares of Class C Google stock units. On November 25, 2023, Atul Amy Thunar sold 797 shares of Class C Google stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be negative at -8.738. Overall, insiders have purchased 1,525,208 shares and sold 1,812,381 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock and unfortunately, no stop loss has been set. Is Google stock a good buy? Google currently shows several negative signals and is experiencing a downward trend. As a result, we anticipate it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Our evaluation of this stock is negative. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Friday, December 1st, we expect Google to open with a gain of $0.637, starting at $134.56. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that stockinvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement with us in the comments below. And don't forget to tell us your target for this stock. Your engagement means a lot to us, so remember to like and subscribe to our channel. As always, we wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.